This tutorial is on the Part List tool. This is where you can create, save, or manage your multiple part lists for your convenience. There's two ways to create your lists. One, we'll start with entering a part number. Here's the Add to Part List. I don't have a list already, so let's go ahead and create a new list. I'm going to name it Test 1. Save. Your part's been added. Let's go back and let's add another part. Now I'm going to have the option to either add it to my existing list, choose another list if we had one, or create one. We're going to go ahead and add it again to Test 1. And I'm going to go and do one more part to show you something towards the end. Let's go ahead and add this part to the existing list. Okay, now we're going to go and try something different. Let's try the second way to enter or to create a part list. We're going to create new list. I'm going to type in. You need to select the part by manufacturer name, and you're going to enter a quantity. Now I'm going to enter another part. Now you will see that it's going to list authorized, independent, and then there's hidden and under stock. These distributors don't match my quantity, so they go into the hidden under stock. You also have the option to put some other, if you don't want the other distributors, move them to the hidden and under stock. Only those that appear will be able to receive your multiple RFQ. The system will also prompt you to enter your list. So we're going to name this list the name of the part family. Just in case you want to come back and search these later, you can just go to your part list, manage my list, go to this part list. We'll just do that now. Go to this part list. It already searches the parts, provides the quantity, and there's your update. So let's say in 2 months from now you need to do the same thing. You go here and you enter them and you're done. It's a huge time saver. I'm also going to scroll down to the second list. We're just going to go ahead and narrow this one by authorized distributors, and I'm going to remove Rochester. At this point, you can see you have 2 parts in your list. This is the total quantity for parts between 555 and 75. I'm going to send an RFQ to all distributors. There's 2 ways to view the RFQs that you're sending. You can do it by part. So for each one of these parts, you can see who's going to receive the RFQ. Or you can do it by distributor, where DigiKey is going to receive 2 parts, Mauser's going to receive 2, Earthtron and Newark 1 apiece. Now, for ease, I'm going to have them all have the date required the same day. I can enter target price and any comments. Now I'm going to send the RFQ, submit, and you'll get a confirmation. You'll receive a confirmation message that these were sent. Now let's go back to the list that we originally created from search, the test 1. Because we created it from search, it did not capture our quantities. So now I go to 1287 and I need to put in some pretty decent significant quantity. And I'm going to go down here to this TE amp and we're going to put in this one, and TI's part we're going to enter 2500, and it will narrow. Again, same as before, you can narrow by authorized or just select a couple you don't want to receive. Now you can go back. You have the RFQ all visible companies, or you can export to Excel. We're going to go ahead and export to Excel. you're going to be able to see all the parts that you selected, and it'll even provide your understock so you can continue working. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.